Thank you for your patronage, and thank you for choosing me. Hey, Denji? The short girl. It's not. Aren't you Kobani? Wrong person? You said Denji earlier? I meant Denjamin from Denshi Sentai Denjamin. Nah, it's fine either way. Even though there's smegma on it. A girl is eating my food. Well then, I'll get on my knees. What about the shower? Amazing. This feels so good. No customer, sir. Actual love is, I can't hold back anymore. But if it's back, then I can do it. That'll do. This optional extra will be 5,000 yen. I'm not used to it yet, so please be gentle. A woman's hair. So, first, eat food slowly. Your food is inside. It's wide enough. Now it should be. Is this love? This is love, isn't it? But in the back. Food is best. It was my first time come from my house. Please come by again. Family? Yeah, see you again. Love is amazing. If this is someone I like, Kobani's love work moral decline, the end. Thank you for coming today. Denji, I fun a lot. Please come again. No restrictions. Kobani. It really was Kobani. When is Nayuna going to turn her back to normal? Not a bad view, though. Hey, really? Oh, are you in heat? This means it's okay to do it right. We even went on a date. This is already fight between lovers.